Here's a detailed guide on resolving the Call of Duty Warzone mobile login error 2024. Investigate server issues. Check online sources or social media for reports of widespread login issues. If it's a server-side problem, wait for developers to resolve it. Advanced account management. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for your Activision account linked to Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. Verify your Activision account email address to avoid verification-related login issues. Advanced app tweaks. Clear the app cache on Android and iPhone to resolve temporary glitches. Android, go to Settings. Apps, Call of Duty Warzone Mobile, Storage, Clear Cache. iPhone, offload the app via Settings. General, iPhone Storage, Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. Then reinstall it. Reinstall the app. If the above steps don't work, reinstalling the app can fix corrupted data or software issues causing login problems. Note: this will erase downloaded game data.
VPN usage.
Use a VPN with caution, as it's against Call of Duty Warzone Mobile's terms of service to bypass regional restrictions. Some users report success using a VPN to log in from unsupported regions, but this is a temporary and risky solution. Only resort to this as a last option and be aware of the potential consequences. Contact official support. If the issue persists, contact Call of Duty Warzone Mobile's official support channels for further assistance. Remember to proceed with caution when using advanced troubleshooting methods like VPNs, as they carry inherent risks. Use them only as a last resort and understand the potential consequences. If you need further help, don't hesitate to reach out to official support channels.